Passive Income in 2020, The Beginner's Guide. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about passive income. If that's something you're interested in, hit the thumbs up button. I really do appreciate it. If you want to see more videos just like this, all about passive income, making money online, all those sorts of strategies, techniques, tricks, tips, hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments section what passive income strategies you are following right now. So let's get onto this video. So passive income is essentially a way of making money where you are not constantly exchanging time for money. Okay, you are getting paid without actually doing something at that point in time. Okay, so it's very different between what you might call instant income or active income. So just say, for instance, I run a Facebook ad for a specific product. That ad, I'm going to pay for that ad, and that ad's going to go out to the people that I have targeted, okay, and they're going to see it and they're going to make a decision whether to make a purchase or not, and then that is it. It is over. You know, I got an instant reaction from what I was doing, and there's plenty of there's so many strategies that are similar where you do something, you take an action, and you present something to someone, and it gives you an earning opportunity, and you have that singular earning opportunity, and there is no further chance for you to make any more money. Okay, so that's definitely not passive income. So before we get into the body of this video, there are age-old passive income strategies such as buying stocks that pay dividends, buying real estate and renting it out, where what you're doing is at the start you're making that investment. Whether it is the stock, whether it is the property, and then over the course of time you are going to earn. Okay, so you're not doing anything more in the future, and you're going to continue to receive those payments. Okay, so that's the basic concept. I guess you can also think of it, something that we've all known about for forever. If you are talented enough to possibly write a song that someone picks up, or you chart it yourself, every time that is played, you're going to earn some form of royalty, and that is why you get all, those guys that made the Christmas songs back in the 70s and 80s. They make so much money every single year. Those royalties fly in, and they love it. Okay, and they might be one-hit wonders, and they wrote that one song every single year. They're making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year. Okay, so that is the core concept of what passive income is. Okay, so let's move forward on with 3 or 4 passive income strategies that anyone can get involved in, but they need to accept that there is some time that they will need to invest in order to get this going. Because even if you think about those people that wrote those Christmas songs, they had to write those songs originally. They had to record them. They had to make sure they were great and that people would love them, at the start. Okay. So the first passive income strategy is specifically utilizing Amazon affiliates. So this is affiliate marketing, but utilizing the Amazon system. Now, the reason why I've chosen this is because anyone can get involved. Literally anyone can get involved. And the reason why anyone can get involved is because they have almost every physical product that you can think of. I know specifically myself, when I would say that 99% of things that I buy, I just go directly to Amazon and I just buy it. Okay, I'm comfortable in the service that they provide, the returns policy if required. I know that I'm going to be able to check out reviews, all that sort of good stuff. Okay. I'm very, very happy. I generally don't go elsewhere. Okay. And a lot of people are going to be similar. So they've got every single product. So how does this reflect in regards to passive income? As I said, there's every single product that you can think of. Okay. So there are many gaps in the market, but there are many places where you could position yourself as an expert, or you can just choose products that you like, review them. Now, this can be in terms of blog posts, it can be videos, whatever it might be, and you can recommend those products, give your honest opinion, and say, if you like these, check out this link, okay? And it will link to your affiliate link, and you will be able to get some form of commission. Okay. Now, this works as passive income because many products will have an evergreen desire, need. They will not be just, something that comes and goes tomorrow. It's like, just for instance, this pen. Now, this pen, this is one of my favorite pens, and it's not the most expensive pen. But it is a really cool space pen. Something about this, I just love using this pen. I've been using it for years. It's actually wearing. I can feel that it's wearing. I've used it so much, and I just love it in my hand, the way that it feels, the way it writes, okay? And this is probably a pen that's been sold for 15 years. It will probably continue to be sold. Now, I could write a review on this, or create a review on this pen, how much I love it, and recommend that people go out and get it. Put an affiliate link in to my Amazon account, and I could be earning commissions every single time someone gets this. And I could have created the review of this 10 years ago, and people might be searching, are space pens any good? How do they write? Are they comfortable? How long does the ink last? Those sorts of things. Can you actually really write upside down? All those sorts of things that people are going to ask. Okay. And it's possible that, I could create a review and rank it in Google, YouTube, and pick up commissions every single day for this product, okay? Which would be really, really cool, right? So you can go on Amazon and you can find any type of product that you think is suitable for you, and start creating these reviews, promoting these products. There are so many strategies. We've spoken about them on this video. If you check other videos on this channel, you're going to find other strategies to promote products in the affiliate marketing space. But this is the beauty of this is that there are going to be videos, blogs that are going to still be found in years to come, and people will continue to click on those links. So that is the magic of Amazon affiliates. Okay. So the second one is, we're going to be talking about creating a course. Okay. So again, if we just talk about the nuts and bolts of, if you create a course and make it available, it's not just available for the day that you actually release that course. It's going to continue to be available. So you might say, oh, I don't really have those skills. Everyone has a skill in something. They do something, whether it's in their job, something that they know, they have some form of knowledge. Now, even if you don't think you have, it's very easy for you to go out and learn something. We have the whole of YouTube to educate ourselves. Billions and billions of videos. You can learn and you can pick up these skills and then teach them in your own style, with your own personality, your own way. Okay. And, if you utilize, these platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, they're going to be on a professional platform, and these platforms, they are going to want, they're going to want to get as many sales as possible. So they're going to assist you in promotion of these courses. And, if you can get reviews, people are going to continue to search for how to do certain things. If they find them on these courses, on these platforms, as I said, months down the line, years down the line, people might be searching for assistance and knowledge of how to do something, and they could find it. You're going to be getting income way, way down the line. Okay. I mean, just a bonus one, because I just remembered it. That there are plenty of these platforms that you can put on designs for t-shirts. Okay. So this wasn't actually one that I was going to talk about, but because it just came to my mind, I'll talk about it because it's something that's been successful over and over again. Now, there's loads of platforms, and I actually spoke about this just a couple of days ago about these platforms such as Teespring, Redbubble, so on and so forth. And you can put designs and sell products on different, whether it's, a t-shirt, a hoodie, a poster, a print, a mug, all those sorts of things, right? And what they will just stay on the platform. And if you set up your SEO, for people to search on those platforms for the specific products, for the designs. And why it just came to mind, it just reminded me was that a couple of months ago, I got a payment for about $100 in my PayPal account, right? And I didn't really recognize what it was for. Most of the time I'm on top of everything that's going on, and I didn't recognize it. And when I found out what it was for one of those platforms, not Redbubble or Teespring. It was for another one, which I hadn't even thought about for nearly 10 years. I used to do these little designs for certain things, and I put the designs on one of these websites, and I literally, the day after I put those designs on the site, I forgot about it. I literally completely forgot about it. And I didn't promote it. I didn't do anything. I was just doing it for fun at the time. It's about 10, 11, 12 years ago. I can't remember. It was so long ago. And when I found out that a variety of people had bought t-shirts with those designs, and I'd breached over the $100 payment, and they'd sent me $100. That was over 10 years since the last time I looked at it. So, I mean, I know it's only $100, but it was just something that, the fact that it was just so funny that I hadn't even thought about that website for 10 years. I hadn't even heard the name of the website. I can't remember what it was at the top of my head, but there you go. So it's possible you can get these payments, way down the line. Okay. So, we were talking about courses. You can learn a skill. You can learn to teach it. All you need is your computer. You need your webcam. God, went through my mind there. You want a microphone, for example, and you just want to be able to record your screen, teach it, or you might want to just get your camera. Where my camera's gone? It's on the tripod over there, and record directly from a camera. That might be sufficient for you to teach these skills. Okay, so moving on to the third strategy. The third strategy builds upon the second, and you might want to use it alternatively, and that's writing a book and selling it on Amazon. Now you might be thinking, oh God, I can't write a book. It's too difficult. Whatever. You can write a book and sell it on Kindle. And it's very, very simple. As I say, on YouTube, you're going to find hundreds of videos about how to create it, how to create your book, how to get it on Kindle, how to promote on Kindle. There's a million videos all about that. But it's a real legitimate strategy. And the fact is that, once it's on Amazon, if you optimize the keywords and the text so people can find it, and it's a specific subject matter that people are interested in, people are going to be searching for that. As I kind of alluded to earlier, evergreen subject matters that people are going to continue to search for next year, the year after. People are going to find that, they're going to buy that book. And one of the tricks with like Kindle books is if you give calls to action to drive people to other places, so other places where you might have some form of affiliate marketing, you might be sending them through to other products where you can earn more money. Okay, so that's the beauty. So it builds upon this whole passive income. It's a whole tree of passive income strategies built into one. Okay, so the last one I'm going to talk about is YouTube, because YouTube is, it's a fantastic way to make passive income. If you don't realize, there's plenty of strategies. I did a whole video about it last week where I spoke about how to make money on YouTube 5 ways, I believe. That was a really cool video to make. But what I would say is that, the ad revenue platform is really cool. Admittedly, to get to the level to be to earn the ad revenue, you need to have over 1,000 subscribers, and you need to have 4,000 watch hours, I believe. Now, if you start a channel about something and you create a couple of videos every single week, it's possible that you can get to that position where you can get within the ad revenue program. And they say that with the ad revenue program, you're going to make about $2 for every 1,000 views. That's not strictly true. Now, I've had instances both ways where I've actually had a video that had about 300 views and it earned about $100. So that would mean what? It's nearly $300 for 1,000 views. So that is whatever. But then I also, on one of my other channels, I actually had a video that got 10,000 views and made me 10 cents. So it can vary, and it all depends on the content. So if you find a subject matter, you start creating regular content, you're going to be able to earn that. And the beauty why this is passive income is that you can create a video a year ago, and if people are searching it, as I said before, if it's evergreen content that people are searching for, people are going to be finding those videos, they're going to be watching those videos, they're going to be interacting with the ads. Okay, now I have a video that continues to make, every month there's dollars coming through, and it's a video I made 2 years ago, and so there you go. So then, and there's plenty of these videos, if as long as it's evergreen subject matters that people are searching for, you've got the ability to make passive income. And because YouTube is so easy to get involved with, I can't understand why anyone wouldn't want to get involved with it. Okay, so there you go. There have been the passive income strategies. We spoke about four. We actually spoke about five, and I was going to talk about four. We spoke about five, and they were essentially using the Amazon affiliate thing that everyone can get involved in. Everyone has the ability to promote Amazon affiliate products. Then we spoke about creating a course, whether or not you're an expert, becoming an expert, learning something and teaching it onto other people. The third thing was building upon that with the books. So write a book about a subject matter that you know about. We actually spoke about uploading designs to print on demand websites, which is another really cool thing, if you're able to design them, obviously. And the last one was the YouTube platform itself, creating content that is a keyword rich, that people are going to continue to search for, continue to click, continue to watch in years to come. Okay, so that's been all about passive income. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've learned something from it. If you have, please consider hitting the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you for another video really, really soon.